Okay, so today topic is layer. Okay, how to create layer. By default, this one is zero layer is here. Okay, by default, this one is zero layer is here. So go to the layer property, and now zero layer. You can create new layer from this icon. Okay, this icon. Then suppose type here line, enter. Then you can create new layer from this icon, or you can enter also. Okay, so now suppose click here, suppose C line, center line, as per name, as per your requirement. Then also suppose B line, boundary line, enter, enter. Next is H line, hidden line, enter. Next is hatch, enter, enter. Next is dimension. Okay, now you can change color also from here. Okay, so suppose click here, and then suppose choose as per your color. Suppose choose here, and here suppose choose here, this one. Boundary line, suppose choose here, this one. Also hidden line, suppose choose here, this one. Okay, now select, suppose this one, this yellow color, choose here, and here suppose click here. So that is different color you can choose here. Okay, and should on all plot option, because when you take a printout, so layer should be printed. Okay, so on plot option also. Okay, so now you can change center line is not continuous in engineering. Okay, so you can change center line continuous. Just click here and place load, and then just choose here center. There are many option is there, center 2, center 2x, okay, 5x. So I'll choose just center, only center. Then okay, and just click here, okay. So now this one is continuous, choose as a center, then okay. So now this one is center change. Okay, next one is hidden line. Suppose click here, this continuous, and then load, then this one is hidden line. Okay, hidden line, just choose here, and then okay, then just choose click and okay. So now this one is hidden. Okay, now this one is hidden. Clear? Next, line weight, thickness. How to increase the thickness? Suppose boundary line, just click here, default, and then suppose choose here how to increase the thickness. So now this is the thickness, suppose 0.8. So now this one is choose 0.8. Okay, now you can close this one. So all layer automatically coming here. Okay, all layer are automatically coming here. Then just choose line, and suppose choose here rectangle. Also choose here hatch. So now draw here hatch. Just click here. So now this one is hatch. Suppose click here. So you can choose as per your requirement. Okay. So that is hatch. Means color is different. Okay. Nothing else. Color is different. Then hidden line. Suppose create one normal line, but this one is hidden line. Okay. Created by hidden line. This one is center line, just choose here. So now that is the center line. Okay, so that is the center line. Next, boundary line, just create here. So that is the boundary line. Okay, and then suppose this is the show or hide line width, just on here. So now this is the show or hide line width. Okay, so now this one is on here, because by default this one is not shows. Okay, if you on this one, if it is not here, so just go to here, this is the customization, and on here line weight option, this tick mark means this one already here. Okay, so just click here. If it is off, this one is not shows. If it is on, now this one is shows this thickness. Okay, I think it's clear. Next, dimension. So go to the dimension, linear, just click here. and click here and placed here. So now this one is dimension shows here. Okay. So in case of layer, first advantage is color. Okay. Suppose second advantage is suppose here you can create suppose off layer turn off. So now this one is not visible. Okay, if you want any printout without hatch, so just off the hatch layer and take a printout and you can on this one. So you not deleted anything. Okay, you not deleted anything. Next, suppose if it is lock, so now this one is lock. Okay, so when it is lock, so you cannot edit or delete as per your requirement. Okay, so if it is lock, so you cannot edit or delete. Okay, so that is if it is unlocked, so now you can delete or edit anything. Okay, so now next, suppose how to match property. Suppose if you forget choose the layer and you draw total drawing. Okay, you already draw total drawing. So how to convert the layer after that? So suppose create one rectangle here. So modify match property, that is very important. Okay, modify match property and suppose select this one and here click suppose this one. So now convert to this dimension line. Okay, suppose click here, so this one also convert to the dimension. Okay, so that is called match property, very important. Okay, so that is called match property. You can identify your layer anytime by match property. Just choose here, suppose match property, click the center line, suppose click here. So now center line means first is copy, then is paste. Okay, just remember just like this. First is copy, second one is paste. Suppose click here, so third one also paste. Okay, only first one is copy. Clear? After escape you can choose another copy. Okay, so that is the main thing. Okay, so that is called layer. Okay, so you can create layer by this. Okay, so today topic is up to layer. Okay, next you can create another layer as per the requirement in next page. Okay, so that is main thing.